Most people think car maintenance is expensive, but the truth is it only becomes expensive when you ignore small problems for too long. And that's where most beginners make mistakes. If you learn a few simple habits, you can keep your car running smoothly without spending a lot of money and avoid costly repairs in the future. Let's start with the most important thing, engine oil, because ignoring this can damage your engine faster than anything else. You don't need expensive oil. You just need to change it on time, because clean oil protects your engine, no matter the brand. Old oil becomes dirty, thick, and less effective, which increases friction and slowly damages your engine. So changing oil regularly is one of the cheapest ways to avoid the most expensive problems in your car. Next, tire pressure. Driving with wrong pressure wastes fuel and damages your tires faster. Low pressure increases friction, which means your engine works harder, and you spend more money on fuel without realizing it. And overinflated tires reduce grip, making your car less stable, especially at high speeds. So, keeping the right pressure is not just about safety, it's also about saving money every time you drive. Now, let's talk about air filters. This small part plays a big role in your engine's performance. A dirty air filter blocks airflow, making your engine less efficient and increasing fuel usage. But replacing it is cheap and easy and can instantly improve performance. Next, your battery. You don't need to replace it often, but you do need to take care of it. Dirty terminals can reduce power flow and cause starting problems, even if the battery is good. Cleaning it occasionally is simple and costs almost nothing, but prevents bigger problems. Now let's talk about driving habits, because how you drive affects your car more than you think. Aggressive acceleration, hard braking, and fast driving increase wear and tear, but smooth driving reduces stress on your engine and helps your car last longer. And the best part, it doesn't cost anything, but saves you money in the long run. Now let's talk about coolant, because overheating is one of the fastest ways to damage your engine permanently, and fixing that can be extremely expensive. But the good news is, checking coolant level is simple and takes less than a minute, even if you're a beginner. If the level is low, just top it up instead of ignoring it and risking engine damage. Next, washing your car regularly. This is not just about looks. It actually protects your paint from long-term damage. Dust, dirt, and pollution can slowly damage your car's surface if left for too long without cleaning. But regular washing removes these harmful layers and keeps your car looking and lasting better. Now let's talk about fuel. Using extremely cheap, low-quality fuel can slowly damage your engine without you noticing. It creates deposits, reduces performance, and increases maintenance costs over time. So instead of saving a little now, you may end up spending more later, fixing problems that could have been avoided. Another simple habit, check your lights regularly, because safety issues can become serious very quickly. A broken light may seem like a small issue, but it increases risk, especially at night. And replacing a bulb is one of the cheapest fixes you can do yourself without a mechanic. Now here's something many beginners ignore: regular inspection. Just looking at your car can prevent bigger problems. Check for leaks, unusual sounds, or anything that feels different before it becomes serious. Because small problems are always cheaper to fix than big ones that you ignore. And the smartest car owners don't wait for breakdowns, they prevent them with simple habits. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need expensive tools. You just need awareness and consistency. Because maintaining your car is not about spending money. It's about avoiding unnecessary expenses through simple actions. And once you build these habits, your car will stay reliable, efficient, and problem-free for longer. So, remember this: Taking care of your car doesn't have to be expensive, and these simple habits can save you thousands over time.